we're just walking, guys. Kasi malamig. No one is swimming here right now because it's cold. So we're just walking by the beach, by the shore.
What was I doing? Sitting there? Yeah, we were driving on the way to your house. I feel like the main character. The sunset. Oh yeah.
Picture! So let's check. Is the water cold? Cold and water though?
I don't know. I'm not gonna swim.
No, just
Unless you can stand in the shade.
Right.
is the water cold? It's Cheska? Guys, let's see. The water is cold. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, yan, lamig. Super cold. Give me that one. Yes.
There's one another in the one here. Christmas tree na, meron na.
Eh, may Christmas tree na, love. Very bright.
Sadali, ikaw po.
Hey guys, we are walking here.
Where?
Where? Yeah.
You can't see turtles while fishing. Over here, you release.
Pier walks. So guys, we paid $2 per person for this walk, pier walk. Hi. Hello. Magpunta ka tayo pagdating ni Erika gang mag-antay gang mag-fishing dito. Tambay-tambay lang dito ba? Gang. Daddy. Magtambay lang dito.
Dala ka ng kapalan jacket.
Tsaka blanket. Ay, binibili din nila yan, Daddy?
Huh?
Yung puffer fish?
Hindi.
No shark fishing.
No shark
So,
fishing.
may mga shark.
Ah, there is shark.
Mga shark na ligo ba?
Meron mga baby shark. Yeah. So there is a baby shark over here. Magdala kayo next time, love, na ano lang, pagpunta nyo dito. Meron ba si James, ano, fishing rod? Nagustuhan niya dito, no? Ayan.
Picture mo sila dito sa end. Maganda dito. Papicture ka lang ni Carol sa end.
Sige.
Nahuli siya na isda. Wow, is it a shark? Ayan.
Papakita ka ng mga birds doon now.
Oh, wow. What is a fish? Ayan, may nahuli siya, love.
Kumukuha kami ng bait. Yun ang ginagawa namin.
Oh my God, guys. Meron nagsiswimming doon ng lamig-lamig. Oh my God. Ayan siya, guys. Oh, nagswimming ang lamig-lamig. So, pauwi na kami. Nag-walk lang.
Matangkad na silikang sa terrace ka.
Ha?
Mas matangkad na silikang.
Malampasan yan si Cheska. Cheska! Who is taller now? Ethan or Cheska? Who is taller?
Same.
Oh, same height na.
Maybe Ethan.
Same na
The
sila
hair
na.
is taller. Kasi si Chiska, pag nag-mince talaga ang babae, no, mag-stop pala, no? Dapat pala si Chiska kumain ng maraming cheese nung ano pa siya.
Growing stage.
Yung 9 years old. Parang si Erika, ang tangkad nung ano,
Sa mga classmate niya.
yan, until
Six,
nag-mince siya, wala na.
6th grade.
You're like the only person on earth.
So we're going to buy a swing trunk.
Go to the car dealership.
Maganda la pag kunyari si Cindy. Love, pag tatlong family like si Cindy, ikaw, tayo mag-share. Yeah, together. Erika.
Sa amo ko kasi 6'5", ba yun lang? 1 week? Magkano ba yun?
Hindi I don't know per night. Maybe.
Total ba?
Pwede naman minimum of 3 days.
Total price?
I don't know.
Just 2 days lang.
3 days, 2 nights.
Which side do you wanna swim?
Oh, ganda ng ano, love. Oh, blue.
Take off your shirt.
It's too cold for sharks. I don't think you gotta worry about it.
Yeah.
Nah. I never seen their fins.
So James is going to swim. Daddy, ang ganda ng ano, love. Sunset, horizon.
Ano, parang,
Ang horizon niya, love, blue.
yung ganda. Picture mo na.
Picture tayo dito.
For the sunset.
Cold! Are you sure? It's cold. Ang lamig. James, it's very cold. What's the, anong temperature ngayon, love?
Parang hindi naman siya mahangin.
It's cold. Very cold, James. Go back, go back.